Okay, we have to monitor channel 68. Savannah, has anyone called? No? No. Not yet. I'm Carrie, this is Etienne, and this is our daughter Savannah. We took a summer sabbatical and traveled down the St. Lawrence Seaway, from Detroit, Michigan to St. John, New Brunswick. This was a 2,000 nautical mile journey through 15 commercial locks and took us 2 months to complete on our beautiful trimaran unleaded. We traveled through some hallmark Canadian cities and sailed by some beautiful coastal scenery. Here's a few glimpses of what we discovered. In this leg of our trip, we got to enjoy the Thousand Islands as we made our way from Kingston to Montreal. Heading out of Kingston, we had a really nice pit stop. We had to grab some water, drinkable water, and bubble tea, very important. Now we're off to the Thousand Islands. We're gonna hit some rain going there, probably, most likely, and we're gonna anchor there for the night. There's a military base in Kingston. College. Queen's University, very, very good university. There was the Olympics for sailing because there's always wind, which is really nice.
Yeah, during the Montreal Olympics.
Okay.
So the sailing was here.
Do you know what year that was?
1976.
Woo, that's old.
But there's still all the installations, like the basins and the break walls, so it's very nice.
Yeah. All right, we left Kingston maybe 15 minutes ago, and you won't believe it. We spotted another trimaran in the wild. Look at that setup. Holy crap. I also don't understand cottages that have insane amounts of grass that you have to cut. Because you already have to cut your grass at home to make all your neighbors happy, and then you come to the cottage to cut the grass. Nope. You set up for a hike?
Oh yeah, just for a little hike.
Looking back at our video footage, we didn't talk much about the Thousand Islands, but the key things I'll mention is that it's a beautiful area with cottages and provincial parks. Ontario does a great job providing public docks for you to stay at, with some questionable neighbors to allow you to walk on the island trails. Good morning. It is Thursday, and we are just entering the lock at Iroquois, which is the first lock of 4. This is a Canadian, there's 2 American, and then 1 more Canadian, and then we're in Montreal. We woke up at 5 this morning. We were in Brockville yesterday for majority of the day, walked the town, kind of hung out, had Thai food. I dyed my hair in the bathroom. There were no boaters, and I had the entire bathroom to myself, so it was awesome. And we just hung out, had a good day walking around. Any thoughts on today?
Well, we woke up early for nothing.
Why?
Because this lock could have opened at 9, the earliest, so we made sure we were here by 8. It's 8:20 now, so all good. But they put out the schedule at 7 in the morning. We had to leave before 7 in the morning in case we got scheduled at 9, but we're scheduled at 11, so it is what it is.
All right, this is your foodie update. So when Carrie's bored, she eats, and This is the packaging of what we're going to be trying today. Oh my god! It's like the cookie but better.
It's going down.
Yeah, it's a bollard system instead.
Yeah, it's easier than the lines from the Welland Canal. It's going down pretty fast. This one is Eisenhower, one of the 2 American locks.
This is crazy. Are you jumping?
C'est-tu bon? C'est bon? C'était bon.